Welcome back to my astrology basics crash course. We've already gone over quite a few things, and today we're going to be talking about personal planets. There are 5 personal planets: the Sun, Moon, Mercury, Mars, and Venus. They comprise your big six, along with your rising sign. And personal planets change signs faster than generational planets. That's why they indicate more of your personality because they're more individual to you, whereas generational planets define you and those born in the same time period as you. So the first one is the sun. It's your core. I've heard it explained that the sun is like the computer operating system, where your other placements are like the applications. So it contributes to your work ethic and how you achieve goals. It also rules Leo in the 5th house. Next up is your moon. It's your inner world. It's who you are to yourself and how you process your emotions. This is the part that you might not share with those around you, except to those you're very close to. It's the lens you view the world from. It rules Cancer in the 4th house. Next up is Mercury. It rules how you think, communicate, learn, organize, and process information. It rules Gemini, Virgo, the 3rd and 6th house. Up next is Mars. It's your drive. It indicates passion, aggression, war, and sex. This placement shows how you handle anger, what motivates you, and how you express your passionate side. It rules Aries, the 1st house, and co rules Scorpio. Next up, we have Venus. This is your love language. It rules pleasure, beauty, and romance. Your Venus placement shows how you navigate relationships and what you expect from them. It rules Taurus, Libra, the 2nd, and the 7th house. That is all for the 5 personal planets. Thank you so much for watching. And next up, we're going to be covering generational planets. So see you then.